Ndewono and welcome to Igbo Academy. Aha m bụ Nwada Chioma. Today we're going to talk about the figures of speech. And figure of speech in the Igbo language is called atụmatụ okwu. Atụmatụ okwu. Figure of speech. The figure of speech we're going to talk about today is Nkwuma. Nkwuma. And Nkwuma in English language is euphemism. Euphemism, Nkwuma. Atụmatụ okwu Nkwuma bụ usoro ejiri ụzọ dị iche na ụzọ na-atọ ụtọ na ntị wee na-akọwa okwu dị njọ ma ọ bụ okwu siri ike. So this is a figure of speech that we use to sugarcoat, let me say sugarcoat, to talk about something that is bad in a good way. You talk about a sentence, a sentence that is bad, that is not pleasing to the ear in a good way. Ọ bụ okwu ọma eji daru okwu ọjọọ ala. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-anụ ya ka a na-ekwu ya, ọ ga-adị gị mma na ntị, mana ilebara okwu ahụ anya, ịchọpụta na ọ bụghị ezigbo ihe ka a na-ekwu maka ya. So if you hear these sentences that have euphemism in them, it will be pleasing to your ear. You won't think of, but when you think about it, you know they're talking about something bad. But the way they sugarcoat it, the way it is presented, it's very, very nice that you not even think of that. It is only when you think about what has been said that you then know the real meaning of what is being said. Lekwa atụmatụ okwu Nkwuma ndị a. Let's now give examples. Nwa okorobịa ọma ahụ na-abụ ọ bụrụ na ị doweghị ihe gị ọfụma, o were ya dobere gị. Nwa okorobịa ọma ahụ na-abụ ọ bụrụ na ị doweghị ihe gị ọfụma, o were ya dobere gị. So that young man, whenever you don't keep your things well, he will take it and keep it for you. So what is the real meaning of this talk? When they say that this young man keeps people's things for them if you don't keep them well, it means that ihe ọ pụtara bụ na onye a bụ onye ori, ọ na-ezu ohi. What it means is that person is a thief. So once you don't keep your things well, this young man is going to keep them for you. So they are indirectly telling you that this young man is a thief. So in Igbo language, if you hear people saying something like that, you think that they're just saying that this man keeps something well. But in the real sense, what they're telling you is that the young man is a thief. So you should be careful whenever you're around him. Number 2. Amaka achịpụtala ndị be ya ụkwụ n'ezi. Amaka achịpụtala ndị be ha ụkwụ n'ezi. Amaka has brought her people's leg outside. When your mommy will tell you, "Ichiptago m ụkwụ n'ezi. Ichiptago m ụkwụ n'ezi. You have brought my leg outside." What does it mean? Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na Amaka etinyela ndị be ha na nsogbu. It means that Amaka has caused trouble or problems for her people. So once your mommy is telling you, "Achịpụtakwana m ụkwụ n'ezi, achịpụtakwana m ụkwụ n'ezi," she's telling you, "Don't cause trouble for me." So when you hear someone saying, "Achịpụtakwala mmadụ ụkwụ n'ezi," it means that you should not cause problem for the person or cause troubles for the person. Number 3. Ọ naghị eji ihe dị na nwaanyị egwu egwu. Ọ naghị eji ihe dị na nwaanyị na-egwu egwu. So when you see a man and someone is telling you, "Ọkwifu nwoke a, ọ naghị eji ihe dị na nwaanyị egwu egwu." This man doesn't play with things that pertains women. What they are indirectly telling you is that nkọwa ya n'Igbo bụ na ọ na-eso nwaanyị nnukwu. He goes after women a lot. So when someone tells you that this person doesn't play with anything, with a woman, doesn't play with a woman or doesn't play with women things, it means that he is he goes after women a lot. Number 4, Okem alakwurula nna nna ya ha. Okem alakwurula nna nna ya ha. Okem has gone to his great grandfathers. So when someone tells you that someone has gone to his great grandfathers, what does it mean? It means that the person has died. That's a better way, a more pleasant way of saying that somebody has died. You say the person has gone to his fathers or his great grandfathers. He has gone to stay with his great grandfathers. Olakulula nanayaha. It means that the person has died. Number 5, we have Ada nwoke ahụ esila n'ụwa tọrọ ụdọ. Ada nwoke ahụ esila n'ụwa tọrọ ụdọ. That man's child has loosened a rope, has loosed the rope from this world. What does it mean? It means that that man's daughter has died. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na ada nwoke ahụ anwụọla. So when someone says ọ tọrọgo ụdọ, he has loosed the rope or she has loosed the rope from this world, what the person is telling you is that that person has died. So it's a more pleasant way of saying that somebody has died. So these are examples of Nkwuma, which is euphemism in English language, and it is a very pleasant way of saying something that is very bad in a way that it will be very pleasant to the ear. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Ka emesịa, ka ọ dịbazie.